Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Updating your Gmail app is crucial for getting the latest features, security fixes, and performance improvements. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. If you're using an Android phone, start by opening the Google Play Store app. Tap on your profile icon, which is usually in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Manage Apps and Device. You will then see an option for Updates available. Tap on that, find Gmail in the list, and then tap the Update button right next to it. If you don't see it there, you can also search directly for a Gmail in the Play Store, go to its app page, and tap Update if the option is presented. For iPhone users, the process is similar. Open the App Store app on your device. Tap your profile icon, located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to see any available updates. Locate Gmail in this list of apps and tap the Update button next to it. Just like with Android, you can also search for a Gmail directly within the App Store, navigate to its product page, and tap Update if an update is available. Regularly updating your Gmail app ensures a smoother experience and better protection.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.